Let me start with something that may feel uncomfortable, but incredibly important. When circulation begins to weaken with age, your body almost always sends the first warning to one place, your legs. Why? Because they are the farthest point from your heart. They require the strongest, most consistent blood flow to move oxygen and nutrients against gravity. Think of your circulatory system as a priority list. When resources are low, the heart protects the core first, the brain and organs, leaving the extremities to report the first signs of trouble. These aren't just old legs. They are a vital feedback loop from your biological system. So, what are those signals? Cold feet that stay cold even under blankets. Heavy legs that feel like they're walking through sand. Many people assume this is just normal aging, a slow, inevitable decline. But that is rarely the whole truth. Your legs aren't failing, they are reporting. Recently, we reviewed over 80 different vitamin patterns. While many showed only weak connections, 5 specific nutrients kept appearing repeatedly in those with warmer feet and stronger steps. Today, we rank them from helpful protectors to the most impactful master regulators. At number 5, we have vitamin E, the vessel protector. It acts as a biological shield for your arterial walls, preventing the scratches that lead to plaque. And at number 4 is vitamin K2, the calcium traffic director. K2 ensures that calcium goes to your bones, rather than hardening inside your artery walls. Without K2, your flexible arteries can turn into stiff, rigid pipes. With it, they regain the elasticity needed to pump blood all the way to your toes. You'll find K2 in aged cheeses and fermented foods. Coming in at number 3 is niacin, the vessel opener. It physically signals your blood vessels to open, often creating a warm glow that proves its immediate effect on circulation. And number 2 is magnesium, the relaxation mineral. Magnesium prevents the tiny muscles in your vessel walls from locking or cramping. When these muscles relax, blood moves with significantly less resistance. This is why magnesium is the gold standard for relieving leg cramps and that frustrating restless feeling at night. Finally, we reach number 1, vitamin D3. D3 isn't just a vitamin, it's a master hormone that controls the production of nitric oxide, the very molecule that tells your blood vessels to stay open and flexible. Without enough D3, your system's power grid is essentially shut off. D3 also increases your body's ability to absorb calcium, making it the perfect partner for vitamin K2. Together, they form the ultimate shield for your cardiovascular health. Most adults over 75 are deficient, making this our top priority for warm, steady legs. Vitamins provide the raw materials, but your daily habits provide the movement. To truly master your circulation, you need to combine internal support with practical daily rituals. Tip number 1, morning ankle pumps. Before you even get out of bed, point and flex your feet 20 times. This simple motion acts as a manual pump, helping to push blood out of the lower legs and back toward the heart after a night of rest. It wakes up the circulatory system before your feet even touch the floor. It's the most effective way to prevent that heavy, sluggish feeling when you first stand up. Tip number 2, the glass of flow. Think of water as the lubricant for your vessels. Dehydration makes your blood thicker and harder to pump. By drinking 8 to 12 ounces of water first thing in the morning, you're essentially thinning your blood naturally, making it much easier for your heart to push it through those narrow capillaries in your feet. It is a fundamental step in vessel health that many of us simply forget. Tip number 3, evening elevation. At the end of the day, spend 15 minutes with your legs propped up above the level of your heart. Gravity is the greatest enemy of leg circulation. Elevation turns it into your ally. This allows accumulated fluid and stagnant blood to drain easily back to the core. It's the perfect time to relax, read, or listen to music while giving your hard-working heart a well-deserved assist. Consistent elevation can significantly reduce evening swelling and heaviness. When you combine these biological materials, the vitamins we've ranked today, with these simple daily movements, you create a powerful synergy. You aren't just managing aging. You are actively supporting your body's ability to maintain independence and vitality. It's about giving your system both the materials and the momentum it needs to thrive. Your body is capable of remarkable things when you understand the feedback it's giving you. Cold legs are a request for support, and now you have the tools to provide it. Your legs have carried you through decades of life, every step, every adventure. With the right internal support and daily rituals, they can stay warm, steady, and reliable for many years to come. Listen to those signals, support your system, and stay active. If you found this masterclass helpful, join our community as we continue to explore the science of aging with confidence. Your best years are still ahead of you,